Chicken is out of the oven. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be cooking because we're going to do a mukbang. So I'm going to cook something on camera and I'm going to upload that separate from the mukbang. But anyways, we're going to have barbecue chicken. I'm going to make the barbecue chicken in the air fryer. We're going to have green beans with white potatoes, yellow rice, cornbread, and baked mac and cheese. So let's start. So last night I seasoned my chicken. I used mustard, brown sugar, mustard, brown sugar, garlic salt, the powder. Oh, there's too many. Okay, so I use mustard, brown sugar, accent, garlic powder, complete seasoning, Saison Tropical, that is the orange one, and lemon pepper. That's all I use. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the air fryer. I seasoned it last night, but I would put the ingredients on what I use in the description box. So give me a second. Okay, so on my air fryer, I'm gonna go ahead to 900 watts because I want it to start off slow. Then once it cooked good in the middle, I'll go ahead and turn it back up. Actually, I'm gonna put it on 600 watts. And then I'm gonna put it on poultry, and that's just for now. And I'm gonna go ahead and start it, and it's gonna be 12 minutes. So I'm gonna let that cook for 12 minutes, and I'll be back. I'm wiping it off, and I'm gonna go ahead and start it back up. So. Okay, so this is how they look after the first time in the air fryer for 12 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put them back in, increase the temperature and the time. So let's put those back in, and we're gonna put it on 900 watts. No, let's go ahead and do the 13. Then we're gonna put it on poultry. And then we're going to turn up the cook time to 18 minutes. And also, let's start. So, let's put it on fish because it's going to up the temperature. Let's put it on 1300 watts and we're going to put it on 18 minutes. And we're going to check on that after 8 minutes. So we got fish, which is 400 degrees, 1300 watts, 18 minutes. We're going to stop it after 8 minutes to check on it. So sometimes it don't want to close. And I think I broke it. So give me a second, y'all. So for our chicken, it's cooking pretty good. I'm sure it's probably done, but I'm gonna cook it more because I don't like wet chicken at all. So let's flip it over some more, a little bit more. It's hot, y'all, and I'm trying to flip it with my hands. Put that back in. Give me a sec. Okay, you guys, so this is how my chicken look now that it's out of the air fryer. So what I'm gonna do now is transfer it to a cast iron pan and put it in the oven with my barbecue sauce. So I lined the pan with some barbecue sauce. It's honey barbecue sauce, but I added a little bit of vinegar, some mustard, a cap of vinegar, brown sugar, regular sugar, and honey to make it my own, I guess. So let's just go ahead and put the chicken inside the pan. Woo. So now I'm gonna just put the barbecue sauce on top of that and let it cook the rest of the way. And I like my chicken dry out. I do not like wet chicken. No type of wet meat in general. That sounded a mess, but y'all know what I mean. And then I'm gonna put some brown sugar over the top of it, just a little, just sprinkle it on to give it that crispy factor. And I'm gonna put those in the oven, and I'll be back when I take them out. Chicken is out of the oven.